Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how waterfalls are formed. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Now first you need to remember that waterfalls are not formed in a day or a month or in a year. Actually it takes hundreds of years to complete the stages of waterfall development. Okay, now imagine that you have a river or a stream of water flowing over a hard rock where erosion is slow, and also flowing over a soft rock where erosion is more rapid. Now over time the soft rock will get eroded faster as compared to the hard rock, making the watercourse more steeper beyond the hard rock layer. Now the falling water's speed accelerates due to the influence of gravity. Thus a plunge pool is formed. A plunge pool is a deep depression at the base of the waterfall created due to the continuous erosion by falling water. Gradually the waterfall gets taller, the plunge pool gets deeper, and the soft rock directly beneath the hard rock gets undercut. Now as the undercutting continues, eventually the overhanging hard rock becomes unstable. Ultimately a chunk of that erosion resistant hard rock layer collapses and falls into the base of waterfall. The result of this action is that the waterfall retreats, and the process of undercutting of the soft rock, the creation of another plunge pool, and the falling of the hanging hard rock repeats again. So this was all about the formation of waterfall and its retreating process. With this we have come to the end of this video. I hope you found it informative. If you like it, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.